Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this Tapioca Puttu. Tapioca Puttu is a breakfast item. We also serve it for lunch and we can also serve it for dinner, but it's a tiffin item. So tapioca is a very healthy product. I've already shown you how I purchase tapioca, how I clean it. So you can watch that video. I'll post that video link in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Without using a puttu contraption, I've made this puttu using tumbler and banana leaf. So let's look into all the ingredients required for this recipe. It's a very simple and easy recipe. You just need to follow a few steps. We normally eat this puttu with egg curry, meat curries, or even some vegetable gravy, but otherwise it's simply eaten with ghee and sugar and one banana. Very tasty puttu. I'm going to be using a large eye grater and I'm going to start grating the tapioca. I've already shown you how to peel the tapioca, how I buy it and how I wash this, so I don't want to go into all that drill. I'm just going to show you the grating part of the tapioca. Once I've grated this raw tapioca, make sure you remove all the fibers. The next step is we are going to soak this grated tapioca in water. So I've already grated and soaked tapioca in water. This will eliminate all the starch. At least 60% of the starch will get eliminated. So I'm going to be washing this tapioca twice. You can see how that water is milky. That is all starch. It is not good for health, so don't eat that much of starch. We'll wash the tapioca thrice, and the third time what I'm going to do, once I finish washing the tapioca, I'll nicely squeeze it and allow it to drain in a colander. So this will eliminate that water content or the moisture content from the tapioca. Here, once I've drained the tapioca, I'm going to be grinding it. We'll add the tapioca to a mixer jar, and for every 4 tablespoons of tapioca, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour. We'll pulse it twice and grind the tapioca until it's in a powdery format. So here you can see it's formed that powdery format. It's still wet. So at this point I've reserved it in a plate. I've also grated coconut, fresh coconut and reserved. The tapioca is nicely ground. We'll require banana leaf. We can use banana leaf to prepare the mold, or we can also prepare it with a coffee tumbler. So here the banana leaf is chopped into equal squares, and I'm folding both the ends and preparing a cylinder shape to form a mold. We'll be using a toothpick to secure the edges, and we have formed a cylindrical mold. We can also use a coffee tumbler to prepare it. It's up to you. People who do not have the puttu contraption can prepare it with this banana leaf itself. So now to the tapioca, I'll be adding salt. And we need to mix this. Whatever ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Now in the cylindrical mold, I've first layered coconut and then the tapioca. Then I'll be layering the coconut and then the tapioca. Just 2 spoons of each. So once you finish layering your tapioca and coconut, slightly press it. We need to steam cook this. So I've gently pressed it. We need to steam cook this. Now in the same way, I'm going to be filling the tumbler also. I've placed 2 teaspoons of coconut, then the tapioca, then the coconut and then the tapioca. So layer it equally and we'll be steam cooking this. Once you have filled the tapioca, gently press the tapioca inside the tumbler, and we'll be preparing a mold. We'll invert the tumbler on a banana leaf, and we have to steam cook it. Now my steamer is ready. I'll be using a Tupperware steamer. I'll steam cook it for 10 minutes on very low to medium flame. Here you can see my tapioca puttu is ready. At the very touch itself, you can feel until that it's cooked. Once it's nice and firm, I've gone ahead and served it. It's a very simple dish. Do try this recipe. All the ingredients used will be listed in the description box below this video. We normally serve tapioca with sugar and ghee and enjoy it with banana. So you break the tapioca puttu, mix the coconut and tapioca together, add some ghee and sugar along with the banana, mix it and eat it. It's a very tasty dish. You can also serve this with egg curry or meat curry of your choice and serve it. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my social media, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter will also be listed in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.